Today's topic is wall panel for the backdrop or backgrounds, whatever you want to call it. That's what this topic is about today. So it makes it a lot easier once you have a setup that you can leave set up for the next time you want to do a shoot. The object is to have this all set up and just leave it up there. Hopefully with minimal movement you can get it into place. You have your lights set and you can basically just leave them set there. Like in my case, I have them here and I have to work around them and watch I don't knock them over, because I got a 10 by 10 room, 8 foot high. And what I want to tell you about today is my backdrop wall panel, which is right back here. I went and bought a 4 by 8 panel, and what I did was cut a foot of it off so I could get it in my 8 foot high room and maneuver it around fairly easy, or not easy, but a little better than what an 8 foot piece would. So what I did was just set that up against the wall, and then I slide it back and forth a little bit. Like right now, that panel back there has a doorway that I have to move that panel to get out of this room. So very little changing things around to do that. All I got to do is go up there and slide it and open the doorway up and just leave it sit there for the next time. And when I want to do the next shoot, I know where I want to set my camera, and that's about the only thing I have to move besides my chair. I have the lights set there. I have little adjustments to do with the lighting.